students, today we are going to start first exercise of chapter 2, that is polynomial, and the exercise is 2.1, that is related to the concept of finding the number of zeros of a polynomial with the help of a graph. Now we are going to start the exercise 2.1, whose question is: the graphs of y is equal to px are given below for some polynomial px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. We have to find the number of zeros of the polynomial in each question. First question is, graph is like this: x, x dash, y, y dash, this is 0, and this is the graph of a polynomial. And we see this graph is not intersecting x-axis at a single point, so number of zeros of this graph will be 0, because graph px is not intersecting x-axis at any point, so number of zeros of px is 0. Second is, x, x dash, y, y dash, this is a region, and the graph is like this. Here, because graph of px is intersecting the x-axis at one point, so number of zeros of px is 1. Question number 3 is, this is a graph. X 0, x dash, y, y dash, and the graph is like this. And you see this graph is intersecting the x-axis at 2 points, so the number of zeros will be 2, because graph of polynomial px is intersecting x-axis at 2 points, therefore number of zeros are 2. Fourth one is, x, x dash, y, y dash, 0, this is like this, and it is also intersecting at 2 points of x-axis. Again, graph of px is intersecting at x-axis at 2 points. Therefore, number of zeros are 2. Question 5th is x origin x dash y y dash, and graph is like this, and it is intersecting x-axis at 4 points, because graph of px is intersecting x-axis at 4 points. Therefore, number of zeros are 4. And last question is this is x dash y dash 0. Graph is like this. And you see 1, 2, 3 common points between graph and x-axis. Graph of px is intersecting x-axis at 3 points. Therefore, number of zeros are 3. Thank you.